Guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to solve Windows update issue. Like you actually want to update your Windows or your PC and you cannot update it. So let's learn how to get this problem solved. So first of all, head over to your Windows icon, then click on settings. So this is how to get your Windows update. Click here on your Windows update, and you're going to find out something like this. You can choose to resume your update or after. So even after clicking your resume update and you're connected to the internet, it doesn't work. The best thing to do is to close the settings app and head over to your search bar. So here on my search bar, I will be typing service. So service is what I'm going to be opening, and then you can see this app, then you run as administrator. So yes, this is what the service app look like. Then you're going to find out a lot of things. So it's telling the description, the status, and the startup type and the login. So what you have to do is to scroll down, or you can just tap here and tap on W to take you to Windows update. So I'll just manually scroll down to locate W and look for Windows update. So we are very close. So this is it here, Windows update. So right click on this and click on start. So mine is running, that's why. So if it is on stop, what you have to do is to change this to start. So start will enable your Windows updates to run. Then next thing to do is to go back to your settings and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and your device is off from metered connection. So make sure your device is not on metered connections. So with this way, you have to do and restart your PC, then click on here, tap on this off button, then restart or shut down. So once you turn this on, you can go ahead to update your PC and it will work 100%. So like and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thank you.